Among the early sneaker conversations of 2026, the Air Max Goadome Low is quickly gaining attention as Nike prepares to rework one of its most rugged silhouettes. Scheduled for a spring release, the low-top version moves away from the inner-city boot image and leans into outdoor-inspired styling, highlighted by this Taupe colorway. Unlike the previously revealed all-black leather pair, this edition features suede panels that recall Nike's classic hiking and boot designs from the 1990s. The updated upper introduces a smooth, unibody toe that gives the shoe a cleaner profile compared to the traditional two-tone construction seen on earlier Goadomes. Decorative perforations appear below the hiking-style eyelets, offering light ventilation without compromising durability. Black suede covers the tongue and interior lining, while subtle hits of university red appear on the outsole and Nike Air branding on the insoles. The Air Max Goadome Low is expected to arrive during the first quarter of 2026.